Morning students, in the last class, exercise 10.3, problem number 11 completed. Now write down problem number 12. This is problem number 12 in 10.3. Two similar cones. Read the problem and write the problem and read the problem 2 or 3 times to know about the problem, meaning of the problem. Two similar cones have volumes 12 pi cubic units and 96 pi cubic units. If the curved surface area of smaller cone is 15 pi square units, what is the curved surface area of larger cone? So the problem is about cone. First point, the problem is about cone. Two similar cones. What is meant by similar cones? One cone is small one. One cone is small. Other cone is big. They are similar. Similar cones. One smaller cone, one larger cone. What is there in the problem? Volume of smaller cone is 12 pi cubic units. Cu means cubic units. And volume of larger cone is 96 pi cubic units. Full stop. Now about curved surface areas. Curved surface area of the smaller cone is 15 pi square units. What is the curved surface area of larger cone? So 12 pi belongs to volume, 12 pi belongs to volume of the smaller cone. 96 pi belongs to volume of the bigger cone. Volume of the bigger cone. Then CSA of smaller cone 15 pi. CSA of smaller cone 15 pi. We need to find out CSA of larger cone. Let it be X. We don't know. Let it be X. So the problem is about cone. One is smaller cone. Other one is larger cone. Both are similar. Similar means one is small, other one is big. Volumes are given. Volume of smaller cone is given. Volume of bigger cone is given. Next about CSA, curved surface area of smaller cone is given. We need to find out CSA of larger cone. That is about the information. So the problem contains two cones which are similar to each other. Okay, now write given two cones are similar. Given two cones are similar. One is smaller cone, other one is larger cone. Volume of the smaller cone. Volume of smaller cone 12 pi cubic units. 12 pi cubic units. Volume of larger cone. Volume of larger cone 96 pi cubic units. 96 pi cubic units. Then ratio of volumes. Ratio of volumes 12 pi is to 96 pi. Ratio of volumes 12 pi is to 96 pi. Do cancellation. Pi cancel. What is left? 12 is to 96. 12 is to 96. Then 12 table cancel. 1 is to 8. 1 is to 8 means like 1 cube, 2 cube. R1, 1, R2, 2 like that. So ratio of volumes 12 pi is to 96 pi. Pi cancel. 12 is to 96. 12 table 1 is to 8. Like 1 can be written as 1 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. Like R1. Radius of the smaller cone 1, radius of the bigger cone 2, like that. Radius of smaller cone 1. Radius of bigger cone 2. Then next what? Next about CSA. CSA ratio of curved surface areas. Ratio of curved surface areas. So here volumes are in the ratio 1:8. 1 can be written as 1 cube. It is just like R1, radius of the smaller cone. 8 can be written as 2 cube. It is like R2, radius of the bigger cone. R1 is to R2. Ratio of CSA is R1 square is to R2 square. R1 square is to R2 square. R1 how much? 1 square is to R2 how much? 2 square. 1 is to 4. Ratio of CSA is R1 square is to R2 square. R1 square is to R2 square, like that. Then 1 square is to 2 square. 1 is to 4. Okay na? Then CSA of smaller cone. Given CSA of smaller cone equal to 15 pi. CSA of smaller cone equal to 15 pi. Let CSA of larger cone equal to x. Let CSA of larger cone equal to x. CSA of larger cone equal to x. Then ratio of CSA is what we get? 15 pi is to x. Ratio of CSA becomes 15 pi is to x. Then implies, let us equate 15 pi is to x equal to 1 is to 4. 15 pi is to x equal to 1 is to 4. Product of extremes equal to product of means. X into 1x equal to 15 pi into 4 equal to 60 pi. Therefore, CSA of the larger cone equal to 60 pi. CSA of the larger cone equal to 60 pi. See again, given two cones are similar, then volume of the smaller cone 12 pi, volume of the larger cone 96 pi. Ratio of volumes 12 pi is to 96 pi. Pi cancel. 12 is to 96. 1 is to 8. Like 1 can be written as 1 cube. R1 value 1. Radius of the smaller cone. R2. 8 can be written as 2 cube. R2 value 2. Ratio of CSA is 1 is to 4. 1 square is to 2 square, like 1 is to 4. CSA of smaller cone 15 pi. What is the CSA of smaller cone? 15 pi. Let CSA of the larger cone equal to x. Then ratio of CSA is 15 pi is to x. Then let us equate them. 15 pi is to x equal to 1 is to 4. Product of extremes equal to product of means. X into 1 equal to 15 pi into 4. Then 15 4 are 60 pi. That is about problem number 12. Now keep adding 10.4. Keep adding 10.4. Write down first problem. 10.4 first sum. .4 first sum is the radius of the sphere is, first one, the radius of the sphere is, the radius of the sphere is, radius of the sphere is 3.5 centimeters. Find the surface area and volume. Find its surface area and volume. So write the problem and read the problem. Surface area, the radius of the sphere. You know what are the examples for sphere? Football, cricket ball, laddu. They are the example for sphere. The radius of the sphere is 3.5 centimeters. Find its surface area and volume. The problem is about sphere. What are the examples for sphere? Football, globe, laddu, etc. Then sphere. The problem is about sphere. What is given? Radius of the sphere equal to 3.5 centimeters. R equal to 3.5 centimeters. R value 3.5 centimeters. What we need to find out first? Number one, surface area. Surface area of sphere. What is the surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. 4 pi value 22 by 7, r square 3.5 into 3.5. Surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Do cancellation. 7 cancel. 3.5 cancel. 0.5 times. Then what is left? 4 into 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. Then 4 into multiply. 22 into 0.5. How much? 11. 11.0. It becomes 11 into 3.5. 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 1.5. 7 cancel. 3.5 cancel. 0.5 times. What is left? 4 into 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. 4 22 into 0.5, it becomes 11.0 means 11 into 3.5. Then 4 into 3.5. 3.5 into 4 how much? 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12, 14. So it becomes 14 into 11. So 14 into 11. 154 centimeter square. 154 centimeter square. Surface area of the sphere equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. 7 cancel. 3.5 cancel. 0.5 times. What is left? 4 into 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. 22 into 0.5 how much? 11. Okay na? 4 into 3.5. You can do multiplication anyway. 4 into 3.5 becomes 14. 14 into 11. 154 centimeter square. Next about volume. Volume of the sphere. What is volume of the sphere? Surface area completed. Then volume. Second one. Volume of the sphere. Volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. Then do cancellation. 7 cancel. 3.5 cancel. 0.5 times. Then what is left? Write the remaining. So 4 into 22 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 by 3 divided by 3. So multiply. 4 into 22, 88 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 by 3. Then 88 into 5, 88 5s are 440, 88 5s are 440, it becomes 44 into 3.5 into 3.5, multiply 12.25, 12.25 by 4 by 3 by 3, then multiply. So volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5, 7 cancel, 3.5 cancel, 0.5 times. What is left? 4 into 22 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 by 3. 4 into 22, 88, remaining same. 88 into 0.5, 44. 3.5 into 3.5, 12.25 by 3. Then multiply 12.25 with 44. How much? 44 5s are 220. 44 2s are 88, 110. Again 44 2s are 88, 99. 44 1s are 44, 53, 539. So see multiplication again. 44 5s are 220. 44 2s are 88 plus 22, 110. 44 2s are 88 plus 11, 99. 44 1s are 44 plus 9, 53. So what we get? 539 by 3. 539 by 3. Divide 539 with 3. Divide 539 with 3. How many times? 1 time. 1 3s are 3. Remainder 2. Next number 3. 7 3s are 21. Remainder 2. Next number 9. 8 3s are 9 3s are 27. Remainder 2. Then point. Then 0. 6 times 18. It is going on. So 179.6 centimeter cube. 179.6 centimeter cube. Volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere equal to 179.6 centimeter cube. In the next class, we see the remaining problems. Thank you, students.